Have you ever looked at your life and thought, how did I get here? And why doesn't it feel like me anymore? Because I've had that moment. And no one really prepares you for it. This season after 50, where everything looks fine from the outside, but inside, you feel disconnected, uncertain, maybe even a little lost. So today, I want to talk about something that we don't talk about enough. What it really looks like to start over after 50. For so many years, we were everything to everyone else. We're moms, partners, caregivers, professionals. We show up. We handle things. We keep everything moving. And then one day, things shift. The house gets quieter. The routines change. And you realize you've spent so much time taking care of everything else, you're not even sure what you need anymore. And that realization, it can feel unsettling. But it can also be the beginning of something really powerful. For me, that shift, it didn't happen all at once. It was little things. Not feeling excited about my daily routines anymore. Looking in my closet and thinking, this doesn't even feel like me anymore. Wanting more, but not even knowing what more meant. And I remember thinking, is this just what life looks like now? The answer is no. That feeling, it's not the end of something. It's a signal. And here's what I've come to understand. Starting over at 50 isn't about becoming someone new. It's about coming back to yourself. It's about asking, what do I actually enjoy now? What feels good to me? And what do I want my life to look like in this next chapter? Because we change, our lives change, and we're allowed to evolve with it. So, if you're in that place right now, here are a few things that helped me with my reset. Number 1, let go of who you used to be. Not in a negative way, but in a freeing way. You don't have to stay the same version of yourself forever. Number 2, I started small. New routines, trying different styles, and changing little things in my day-to-day life that felt more like me again. Number 3, this is a big one. I stopped waiting for permission. You don't need permission to change your life. Not at 50, not ever. And if no one has told you this, you are not behind. You are not late. And you are definitely not done. In fact, this might be the first time in your life where you actually get to choose you. Now, this is something I'm still walking through every single day. If this is a conversation you need and you're in this season too, I would love for you to be a part of this journey with me. Because in my next videos, we're going to be talking more about rebuilding confidences, creating new routines, and really stepping into this next chapter of life. So make sure you're subscribed and tell me in the comment, have you ever felt like you needed to start over? Because I promise you, You are not alone in that. In my next video, I'm going to share the exact moment I realized I needed to let go of who I used to be. I'll see you over there. Until next time, my friends. Bye.